Hey there, gentlemen. Ever found yourself in a situation where your palms are sweaty, your heart's racing, and you feel like the weight of the world is on your shoulders? We've all been there. But what if I told you that there's a way to rise above that pressure, to stand tall and fearless even when the odds are stacked against you? So, if you've ever wanted to be that guy who remains calm in the storm, the one everyone looks up to when things get tough, then you're in the right place. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to be that rock everyone can lean on. Let's get started with the first one. Understand the source of your fear. Ever wonder why certain situations make your heart race, while others leave you unfazed? It's all about understanding the root of your fear. Every time anxiety creeps in, it's often a signal from our brain, warning us about potential threats. But these threats aren't always life or death in today's world. They could be fears of judgment, failure, or the unknown. By diving deep and pinpointing the exact cause of your fear, you're taking the first step towards mastering it. Isn't it empowering to know that by simply understanding your fear, you're already on the path to conquering it? On the other hand, when we ignore or suppress these fears, they grow, casting a shadow over our actions and decisions. By confronting them head-on, we reclaim our power and pave the way for growth and resilience. Now that we've unlocked the understanding of our fears, let's gear up for the following technique that will act as our shield on the battlefield of pressure. 2. Preparation is key. Have you ever noticed how the most accomplished individuals always seem ready, no matter the challenge? That's because they understand the power of preparation. When you're well prepared, you're not just equipping yourself with knowledge or skills, but also building a fortress of confidence around you. Think about it. Doesn't it feel great to walk into a situation knowing you've done everything you can to prepare? On the flip side, the fear of the unknown can be daunting. But with preparation, the unknown becomes familiar, and that's where true confidence stems from. So, are you ready to put in the work and reap the rewards? The more you sweat in practice, the less you bleed in battle. Preparation is the bridge between panic and poise. 3. Embrace the pressure. Pressure, just the word, can send shivers down one's spine. But what if we flip the script? What if, instead of seeing pressure as a looming threat, we saw it as an exhilarating challenge? Adopting pressure means acknowledging its presence and using it as fuel to elevate your performance. Remember, diamonds are formed under pressure. So, when faced with challenging situations, ask yourself, will I let this pressure crush me? Or will I use it to shine brighter than ever before? It's a shift in perspective. Instead of viewing pressure as a burden, see it as an opportunity to prove to yourself and others how resilient and capable you are. Next is a technique to master the art of mental strength. Number 4. Develop a strong mental game. The mind is a powerful tool, but it needs to be sharpened regularly, like any tool. Have you ever been in a situation where everything was going against you, but you remained calm and composed? That's the power of a strong mental game. Techniques like meditation, visualization, and positive affirmations aren't just buzzwords. They're proven methods to train your mind to stay resilient in the face of adversity. But here's a question. Are you willing to invest time in mastering your mind, just as you would in mastering a skill or a sport? The battles we face externally often pale compared to the battles within our minds. By strengthening our mental strength, we face external challenges head-on and conquer our inner demons. 5. Surround yourself with positive influences. Who's in your corner? The people you surround yourself with play a pivotal role in shaping your mindset and reactions. Positive influences aren't just those who cheer you on. They challenge you, uplift you, and remind you of your worth even in tough times. It's said that you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So take a moment and think, are the people around you elevating you or pulling you down? Your physical and social environment has a profound impact on your psyche. You're setting yourself up for success, growth, and happiness by consciously choosing to surround yourself with positive, uplifting individuals. The next technique is key, teaching us the delicate dance of acceptance and control, a balance that's necessary in our journey to fearlessness. 6. Accept that you can't control everything. One of the biggest sources of pressure for many men is the need to control every outcome. But here's the truth. Life is unpredictable. No matter how much we plan, there will always be factors beyond our control. But here's the catch. While we can't control every situation, we can control our reaction to it. Accepting this fact is liberating. Instead of wasting energy on things beyond your grasp, why not focus on areas you can influence? Is it refreshing to know that you're gaining more control over your life by letting go of the need to control everything? This acceptance doesn't mean resignation. It means understanding where to exert your energy and efforts. We become more effective, efficient, and empowered by focusing on what we can control. 7. Reflect on past successes. Whenever you're feeling overwhelmed, take a moment to reflect on your past successes. Remember that time you nailed that presentation, or when you scored the winning goal. These moments serve as reminders that you're capable of greatness. Remember that time you overcame a huge obstacle and felt on top of the world. Those moments of triumph aren't just memories. They're proof of your capabilities. Reflecting on past successes serves as a reminder that you've faced challenges before and emerged victorious. It's easy to forget our achievements, especially when faced with new challenges. But by regularly reminiscing about your victories, you're not just boosting your confidence, you're arming yourself with the belief that you can conquer anything. So, when was the last time you gave yourself credit for how far you've come? Every past success, no matter how small, is a testament to your resilience, determination, and capabilities. As we move forward, the next technique is about immersing yourself in the present, the canvas where you'll paint your next masterpiece of success. 8. Stay present. Often, our fears stem from either dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. By staying present, you can focus on the task at hand and give it your best shot. Techniques like deep breathing. In a world filled with distractions, staying present is a challenge in itself. But have you ever noticed how most of our fears and anxieties stem from either dwelling on the past or worrying about the future? The present moment is the only one we truly have control over. By grounding yourself in the now, you're not just reducing anxiety, but also ensuring that you give your best to whatever you're doing. Techniques like deep breathing or simply observing your surroundings can be immensely helpful. So, are you ready to seize the moment and make the most of it now? Embracing the present moment allows us to fully engage with life, savoring each experience and facing challenges with a clear and focused mind. So, as we wrap up, gentlemen, being fearless under pressure isn't about eliminating fear entirely. It's about understanding it, preparing for it, and using it as a catalyst to propel you forward. Every challenge and pressure-filled moment is an opportunity to grow and prove to yourself and the world what you're made of. Every challenge and pressure cooker moment is an opportunity to grow, showcase your strength, and prove to yourself just how resilient you truly are. So, the next time the world feels heavy on your shoulders, channel these tools, stand tall, and face it head on. If you found value in this video, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, stay fearless, stay focused, and let's conquer those challenges together.